I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change ambient lighting in Jaguar F-Pace full guide. Open the center touchscreen and tap Settings, then choose Lighting to access ambient controls. Use the Ambient Lighting submenu to select color zones, adjust brightness, and set pre-configured scenes. If available, link lighting changes to driving modes for dynamic shifts. Save your preferred profile to recall settings quickly whenever you drive. Choose a color palette from the Ambient Lighting menu to set the cabin mood quickly and easily. Tap any color swatch to preview changes in real time on the touchscreen and around interior trim. Adjust the brightness slider to fine-tune intensity for daytime or nighttime driving. If your vehicle supports multiple zones, set distinct colors for front and rear areas to personalize the experience for driver and passengers. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more useful guides. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep the cabin smelling fresh after detailing or long drives. Check the description for the link and other deals related to car care and accessories. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Adjust the brightness slider to reduce glare at night or brighten the cabin during the day without changing color. Explore static, dynamic, and pulse modes if available to give subtle or active lighting effects that match your preference. Consider linking ambient lighting to drive modes so colors and intensity change automatically when you select Comfort, Eco, or Sport. Save custom modes as profiles to switch between settings instantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.